Communicator is a software application specially designed for people that suffer from paralysis and extreme disabilities. People that suffer from both these conditions have their quality of life negatively affected, not being able to move, do their daily routines and participate in social activities. All these conditions are followed by depression characterized by lethargy, irritability, sleep disturbances, low self-esteem and withdrawal. Special situation is when Broca's center is damaged. It is area of the brain that is responsible for speaking, articulating and understanding speech. Since they cannot communicate with others verbally or by using modern communication technologies and can't actively socialize, patients fall into even worse condition. Neural Communicator brings solution to this problem. Idea behind the project was to design software application that could be as simple as possible and with an emphasis on accessibility. Main goal was to make it possible to communicate by using modern technologies and to replace speech if needed. Concept that this application is based on is multi-level user interface for character and event selection that is adapted to number of actions which user is capable of performing. For input we used consumer BCI, brain-computer interface device. Since year 2009 was marked by biotechnology, couple of low-budget consumer BCI devices were available on market. The software was designed to be used with any BCI device available and with any number of actions for input that it can give. Armed with multi-level menus, application enables patients' usage of numerous communication services. Main communication modules that were implemented are GSM module, Windows Live Messenger module, and augmentative and alternative communication module by using Microsoft Speech. Utilization of GSM technology allows users to send and receive SMS messages. Windows Live Messenger module is implemented to enable usage of this popular messenger service. We use Microsoft Speech to enable alternative communication to patients whose speech is impaired for any reason. XML web service was implemented in form of book reader. Client application gets the book list located on the remote server. When book is selected, client application reads it by using text-to-speech technology, Microsoft Speech. Neural Communicator is based on plugin architecture, so it is easily expandable with new functions. Multi-level user interface was designed with having in mind hardware limitations that we could encounter. BCI devices might not work the same way on every person, so it was to be expected on patients too. To make multi-level work, we needed at least two actions that user could perform, one for selection and the other one for navigation. Higher level menus could be expanded with more selection or navigational actions. Our team member Vanya was in charge of testing. Application is started and now you are presented with the main menu. It uses a two-column layout for optimal speed and efficiency. Vanya uses 4 actions for controlling the application, 2 for navigation and 2 for selection. Navigation actions are assigned to jaw muscle contractions and they enable vertical browsing through the menu. Menu items are selected by 2 actions defined by eye movement to the left or to the right. As you can see, selected characters are added to the text box from where they can be manipulated. And the result is...
Hello world.
We are using Smart Plugin system, so the GSM plugin is activated only in presence of GSM compatible phone modem. After connecting compatible device, there are 2 new options in main menu, Read SMS and Send SMS. Now we will demonstrate its functionality.